Hello guys, I am back. Woo! And I've been gone for 2 weeks because I started school again and I've been kind of busy and stressed out because I have 5 classes, and so I've been needing to work like every other day. Like I really can't take a break because something is due, and then I try to go to the gym, so then I have to go to the gym, and then I want to do my YouTube, but I'm like, it's okay, like let me do homework first, so then I don't do my YouTube. And I've been so stressed out because I want to do YouTube. Like YouTube is what makes me happy. And so I decided to give you guys a room tour part 2, or technically part 3, because I have a room tour before this, and then I have my other one, and then now I have this one. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's start. Okay, so we're gonna start with my little vanity. Here, oh my gosh, sorry, I did not expect to be showing my stomach. Here is first my vanity, which I just got in like in, when did I get this? Months ago, literally like 5 months ago. And it has these options, so you can dim it, or here it's getting brighter, and then it gets lower. Cool. And then there's another setting. So like for this one, what am I even doing? Hold on. Okay, whatever, you get the point. Here I have my water, but let me just go scoop back a little. Here I have my Eevee, and then I have my Hello Kitty card, my Hello Kitty mug, and then my Hello Kitty flowers. So cute. And then I have my jewelry box, which my friend bought for me at a yard sale. There's some Hello Kitty earrings. There's these butterfly earrings. Ew, my nose. Sorry, I took off my ew, they look so busted. It's because I had them painted, or like I got gel polish at the salon and then they took it off, or I took it off, and it's kind of messed up. But anyways, a little heart hoop, just my jewelry, and some pins. I have stone, a ring, and then right here I got this to put my perfumes on, so it turns. Oh, but I don't think I can turn it fully because the flowers get kind of caught. Oh yeah, this is the cup I got when I went to the Hello Kitty cafe in Anaheim, I believe it was. Here's a Juicy Couture perfume that I really like, and I ran out of it. It's called Bodacious. These are just like sprays. And then this is a Harajuku Lovers one. Britney Spears, Kim Kardashian. YSL. Victoria's Secret. What is this? Bath and Body Works, Ariana Grande. Juicy Couture. Juicy Couture perfumes are so like basic and 2000s, but they smell so good. Victoria's Secret, Valentino. This one smells so good, but I feel like it's more for winter time. So I'm gonna be wearing that in the winter. And then my Nicki Minaj perfume, which smells so good. I haven't worn it in a while. I'll wear it tomorrow. And then I have this is my absolute favorite Brazilian Crush. It smells so freaking pretty. I love perfumes. And then I have my Dolce & Gabbana perfume, my other Victoria's Secret perfume, my Chanel perfume, And that's it. See, the flowers get stuck. No. Okay, I'll just leave it like that. And then inside here, I have my Hello Kitty headband. I have some random hair ties. I have hair clips. I have earrings. It's such a mess. I have like tons of random earrings. How cute. Oh, look at these. These are so cute. My crystal earrings. And then I have my choker. These wooden earrings. And then, yeah, my hair clips. And then in here, I just have like my makeup case, my makeup, my lipsticks, nail polish, face spray, and then random books. And then in here, I have, let me stand up. In here, I have my makeup palettes. Look how cute. Oh, I can't open it. I love brads. I had a whole bunch when I was little. And so, I had to get them. And then I have, okay, so I have a Brad's palette, ColourPop, Too Faced. I don't like Too Faced anymore. My Gigi Hadid chart, my little amethyst, and then I have my Sailor Moon palette. Do you guys want to see it? How cute! And then I have my Hello Kitty mirror, my powder, my little purse mirror that I got at Daiso, my eyelashes, 2 Gucci boxes. This is for my necklace and this is for my earrings, and then this big Morphe palette. That's cool. And then my chair, I put this little thing on it so it can be cozier. So, I'm falling. This is my vanity. Now let me show you the rest. In this corner, I have my shoes, which I just have some heels, my Air Maxes. Ew, they're so dirty. My Vans, my sandals, and sandals for work, other heels. And then I have my Katana bag that I love. And then I have my Electra comic. Isn't this so sick? I want to take this to the gym. And here in this corner, I have my MacBook charging, my little Polaroid camera, my salt candle, 2 books that I checked out at the library. This is my bag I take like when I go to Starbucks or to the library to do homework. I just take my laptop in here, and then I take my notebooks and my planner. And then here is my little whiteboard planner. So I just write like the time of my Zoom classes, that my affirmations. Oh my gosh, should I read them? Gym 4 times, film room tour, make outfit, TikToks, affirmations, no fast food, coffee, Yvonne, and then my markers. So this is that. Oh, it's falling. And yeah, and then here I have my, wait, let me show you my bed. Look at my bed, guys. Oh my goodness, I have hecka stuffed animals, bro. Like, what the fuck? I have this one. I have this one. Oh my gosh, this one I found at a yard sale, guys. It was only $1. And it was so funny because it was like Karen's at the yard sale. And so they were like, what is that? But they were like, it's a bumblebee. I was like, no, I think it's a penguin. So I got this one, my little Sanrio guy. And then I got this at Daiso. My friend gave me this one, and that one. I got that at Five Below. I got that when I was a kid because my friend had like a big bag of stuffed animals and let me pick one, so I picked that one. And then I have this Toy Story alien. And then up here I have my boba. So it was rose hip lemonade, but I finished it and I just added water because I still want to drink my little My little mango jellies. And then, okay, sorry, I was chewing. Then I have my tarot cards. I have this little Hello Kitty bowl, which is so sick. I got it at the thrift store. It's super cool. And then here I just have lighters. And then I have some bubble gum from my car. And then random little things on my bookshelf. So this is how it looks. Let me stand back. So it's like that when you walk in. Bed. And then in this corner, I have some body gel. Body gel does not clean you, so you have to use what's it called, the bar soap. So I collect these. Well, I don't collect them, what the heck, I just bought a few because of the sale at Bath and Body Works. And so I like to, like, of course I use the bath soap, but then I use these just to like smell good. And then I have this lotion, which is marshmallow, I think, and it smells so freaking good. And then I have this lotion, which is the same as that fragrance I showed you. It smells so good. My snail lotion, some hair oil, another hair oil, some tanning bronze lotion, my little tripod I got at Five Below, my Sailor Moon figure. How cute! And then in my drawers, my drawer I have in here, I have a whole bunch of lotions from Bath and Body Works because their lotions actually smell so good, and they actually smell like perfume. So like I put them on after I shower and I just smell good all day, and people always tell me I smell good, so that's my secret. Oh. Yeah, right, like if this is a freaking Vogue video. So these are my lotions. Oh shit. And then here is my Kate Spade backpack that I got over the summer. I mean, it's still summer, but like early in the summer. And then here are my candles. This is a come to me attraction candle. So I'm using this spell to attract people. I'm just kidding. No, it's for that, I guess, but I don't do that. I just light it because I feel like it's so cute, and I love like the positivity of it, but I don't use it on anyone. That's no. So I just use this because I like how it looks, and I just picked it up and I was like, oh, this is a cute one, because my friend and I went to the place where they sold them. Here are my my little affirmation cards. Oh, let's pick a random one. Let's pick one from the middle if I can. This one. When I express my creativity in the world, I honor my own needs and serve the needs of society. I love and honor my creativity. How cute. Okay, that was for me. Let's do one for you. This is for you, the viewer. I am aware of my ego. My objective is not to get rid of the ego, simply to be aware of how it leads me and where. Ooh, think about it. So these are my little cards. And then I have my salt lamp. And then I have my essential guide to chakras, my perfume. I don't know why I have my perfume right here. I have not used this, but it smells good. It smells like coconuts. And then in here, or right here, I have my purses. I got at the thrift store, Poshmark, I think, Shein, thrift store, Shein, thrift store. I got a lot of my purses at the thrift store, and like the purple snake one at the thrift store, the black, this little Victoria's Secret blue velvet one at the thrift store. This one is from Shein, this pink one. Oh, this Prada wallet, I don't think it's real, but it's from the thrift store as well. This little Louis Vuitton Pochette is from Poshmark. That backpack is from a random store at the mall. Let me put this down. And look at this purse. It's so like 2000s. It's cute. And then I have this purse. And then I have this purse. And then my Yoshi that my brother got me. I'm gonna fall. That my brother got me at Comic-Con. I have my Trunks figurine. I have my candles, cinnamon spice vanilla. It smells like what you think of fall. That's how it smells in my room right now. So I love it. And then I have the champagne toast, my roses in my jar, another candle. That one smells like a coffee shop. And then I have my sage. And then I have this little candle holder that's shaped like a heart. And my candles, let me stand back so you can see the full view. That's how it looks. Like that. And then this is just like my clothes, so I don't want to show that. And then this, hold on, sorry, it's kind of hard because look, it's like so skinny to walk through here. So here's my bed. I already showed that. And my little troll doll, my perfume bottle, it's empty. My flowers that my friend gave me for my birthday like 2 years ago. And that's it, guys. I was gonna say dude and then I said guys. Okay guys, so that was my room tour. I hope you enjoyed my video, and sorry if it was not as entertaining as the last one. I feel like I was kind of boring in this, but maybe I'm just overthinking. But I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for all the likes, comments, subscriptions, every single thing. If you have any requests, please let me know. And yeah, I don't know what else to say, but thank you so much for all your support. And that's all I can say. Just let me know what you want to see. Thank you. Bye.